Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'ma speak my mind, I don't fuck with your kind. You be lying on a nigga, tryna block my.
So today I'm gonna do another Fashion Nova haul. I'm excited as fuck. I got this yesterday, but I haven't opened anything because I said I was gonna wait for this video. So I'm gonna start with the accessories. Okay, so these glasses. Oh, these are hella cute. Look at these. Wear these to the beach. I would literally wear these anywhere actually. I would wear these to the beach. I would wear these to a concert. I would wear these to dance. They kind of give me like space vibes. I like them more like down than upwards, but super cute. Sides. Necklaces. I got this necklace and it says "fuck off" on it. Accessories are what is gonna make your outfit. So like, you always gotta.
That's a stupid bitch.
Have good accessories. And I like necklaces. The only thing about Fashion Nova necklaces is like they're fake gold, so they get dark really quickly and it's fucking annoying. But they're hella cheap, so like I'm always buying them. They're like $5 for a necklace. So here's the necklace. Fuck off. So cute. I would wear it with this outfit. This is just like a good statement piece because it's like big. It has like a chain around it and it just says "fuck off." Like, super cute. I wish I would have got this like in silver. I don't know if they have it in silver. I really don't like fake gold jewelry because it looks so fake. At least silver, you know, like you can cover it up that it's fake, but shit, you can't with the gold. So my necklace is like a little bit more up, kind of like a choker, but not really a choker, but like low-key a choker. So it's just a gun. Okay, so that's all the accessories I got. I'm gonna try on the clothes later, just cause my hair is wet and I don't want to fuck it up. So I'm gonna go somewhere right now, and then when I get back home, I'll do the clothes. Dog is watching me. And you guys, for some reason, like, I got sick this weekend. Like, what the fuck? Okay, and you can't tell by my voice, but I couldn't wait to try on the clothes, so I just threw my hair up in a bun really quick. Okay, you guys, so I opened my first thing and I'm already like, what the fuck? Because this don't look like the picture at all. But let's try it on and see. I'm not gonna judge it till I put it on. And it looks a little bit big too, so I don't fucking know. Here's the dress. I would get this in an extra small, because I got it in a small and it's just a little bit big, and I would like it a little bit more tighter so it can hug, you know, my curves and stuff. The only thing, well, actually, you know what? I like it. I think I just need to wash it once so it can get a little bit brighter, because on the Fashion Nova thing, it looked way more brighter than this. But it's really cute. It's more of a green than a mint color. I thought it was going to be like a minty blue, but I really like it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open the skirt. I don't have pants on, so I'm not gonna show this shirt yet. I don't know how I feel about this shirt because I feel like it makes my shoulders look big. I really like the color. I have this skirt in 2 different colors already because I really like it. This is the shirt, and like I said, it low-key makes my shoulders look big, you guys. I have a small waist, so my shoulders do be looking big. But this is the skirt. Really cute. I'll probably wash this because it is pretty big. Like, I noticed when you always order something, it comes big and then you wash it and it kind of shrinks a little bit. So this shirt is funny as fuck to me because it reminds me of like school. But I wouldn't wear it like this. I would wear it unbuckled. Look at that. This would actually be a pretty cute outfit together. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, let's take a break from the skirt and open a dress. This also really don't look like the picture because I swear in the picture it looks more vibrant. That's why it catches my eye, but like in person this looks red and like I don't really like to wear red. I don't like how that color looks on me. I feel like blue is for sure my color. Oh. That's cute. Oh my god, you guys, I feel like I can't walk in this. You guys, I literally cannot walk in this. Ooh, this dress is tight as fuck. I got it in a size small. It's really nice. It hugs all your curves. So cute. The only thing is the color does not look how it looked on the booking website. I swear on the website it looked bright as fuck. But you know what? I'm starting to really like this color. Over here. I really like this dress. The only thing is I'm gonna have to wash it just so it could be a little bit tighter and I have to stretch it out on the bottom because that shit. Okay, so what the fuck? Oh, okay, so you tie it. Okay, this also really don't look like the picture, but it's cool. This reminds me of the galaxy. I feel like it look cute on. You guys, I'm trying to get this, sorry, I'm like bending down because I'm naked. But I'm trying to get this, dress on and it's not going past my ass. What the fuck?
Not done.
Oh, shoot. This is so cute.
Get over here.
I love it. Oh my god.
Sit down.
I had some trouble putting this dress on because it's tight as fuck and my ass did not get through it. But it's super cute. That's the back. The front. Growing up, Tinkerbell was my favorite fucking character, like, ever. And this reminds me of Tinkerbell. It's, like, super cute. Love it. And it makes my ass look fat as fuck, you guys. Like, what the fuck? It's, like, the perfect amount of tightness. And the back is just so cute with the little bows that you tie up. And I got this in a size small. This is the next shirt that I got. So I kind of wish it was like a little bit more tight because it's like really big. And I wanted to wear it with the skirt. That's what I envisioned it in. But it's really cute, super classy. It has a v-neck. Excuse the nips if you can see them. But it's a very cute shirt. This is the last shirt that I got. Very bright. I don't know why I like bright colors. But oh, this is really bright. This is like a highlighter. Let's try it on. Look. Oh, so I'm kind of tan, so this makes me look even more tanned. So here's how this shirt looks. It's very, very bright. So don't get this if you're not looking for a bright look. Oh my god, I got makeup on it. Look. This shirt gonna make you look really tan if you're tan. I'm tan right now because I went to the beach on the weekend. And, love it. I don't match the skirt, but you guys, I actually really love this skirt too. Like, I see myself wearing this all the time. Okay, y'all, so I have one last item. It's a dress. And this looks so cute. I can already tell I love this. So here's the dress. It's gray. Perfect. I don't really have much to say about it. It's pretty basic, but it's so cute. And you can dress it up. You can dress it down. You can wear this literally anywhere, like Walmart, the beach, to go eat. Like, it's perfect. I love it. I literally love all the dresses I got. They make my body look so good. Okay, y'all, so that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I literally loved everything except this shirt. I really didn't like it. I wouldn't wear it. It just makes my shoulders look so big. And I don't know, it's just kind of ugly, to be honest. But yeah, my favorite thing out of all this was this dress. I recommend everybody to go buy this dress right now, because literally you will feel like Tinkerbell in it, and it will make you feel like you have a fat ass, because it's just so tight and perfect. I love this dress. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe it.
You see that? That's a stupid bit.
Subscribe.